Hey there, today we're going to look at how to import Google Calendar into Notion step by step tutorial. So let's get started. First, head over to your Google Calendar. Over here, click on the calendar you want to embed into Notion. After that, click the gear icon at the top right corner and select Settings from the drop down menu. Then, in the left hand menu, click on the calendar you selected earlier. Over here, scroll down to access permissions for events and check the box for make available to public. After that, scroll further to the integrate calendar section and copy the embed code. Then open Notion and go to the page where you want the calendar to appear. Over here, type /embed and select the embed option from the menu. In the embed link field, paste the Google Calendar URL you copied earlier. Then press enter to complete the embedding. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.